Right, let's talk about badges. Badges are just a bit of fun. The more you interact with the site, the more badges you get. We may add some custom Golfmates badges for different things. But if you go up to, because it's just a new account, you can see here the badges that I've accrued as the admin of the site. And if I look, received, appreciated, received 1 like on 20 posts. Also, I've changed my profile, so you actually get a badge for changing your profile. So here are actually the badges look. So you'll get a little notification when you use your first quote, when you change your badge, you've edited something, you've edited your basic information. You even get a badge, I think, if you read the terms and the about. So if you go to the about and you read the terms and go through terms of service, I'm waiting for a notification, but it might be that green one that's up there already. The privacy. You definitely get a badge at some point for doing that. I'm not sure when it comes up. But effectively, there's badges to be earned as a bit of a fun, as a bit of, they get quite addictive, even though they're not really for anything. When you've come, visited 10 consecutive days as a badge, shared a post, 25 unique visitors. So if you've shared a post on Facebook or Twitter, you get a badge if people come. All sorts of different badges to be gained. It is just a bit of fun. People are going, oh, we don't need badges. It's just a bit of fun. I don't think I can turn them off. I probably can, but oh look, we've got a notification. Earned a badge for reading guidelines, right? Bit of fun. Badges. Like I say, we might get some custom ones. We may add people certain badges for being awesome golf mates, for doing various things. But it doesn't get you any extra entry into anywhere. It isn't. Does it make you a better golf mate or worse? It's just a bit of fun.